Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have a thrift store haul. Now I do want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. So I do have several items. Some of them are from Goodwill. The rest are from a warehouse sale that a thrift store local to us had. So I did get a lot of these items very inexpensive. Now, in no particular order, because it's all literally just dumped in here, let me go ahead and start with this beautiful little black basket. I love it. I love that it's metal. I love that it's black. Ooh, I love the handle, and I believe I paid 25 cents for this basket. I love it. I think it's like a perfect mix between like modern farmhouse and a rustic industrial, which is kind of what I have a mix of. Again, I just do a little bit of whatever I want. And then some more baskets. I got this one because it just has such a cute different shape. I just love it. It is torn up here, and I did notice that when I bought it, but I think I made it worse because I kept dropping it from the little rolling cart that I had. And again, this was 25 cents. And then I bought one that is kind of similar, like it has that like same little shape, but again just bigger, and this one was 25 cents too. I don't know how I feel about these colors in baskets, so I may be doing the same thing that I did to the little hanging basket that I did over on my Instagram. I'm gonna link that down below, so make sure that you are following me there, because again, I do some DIYs over there, so I may be doing the same technique on these. And then I got these two cute little baskets. I don't know if I paid 25 cents for both or one. Again, I don't know. They are different shapes. They have the red line, and I've noticed a lot of baskets that I get from thrift stores, have this same kind of red pink lines on them, so I don't know where that comes from, but I love these. I'm going to use them for a little DIY fern plant, tree, topiary, I don't know what it is, that I'm going to do here on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. And then I got this mail sorter, I think is what it would be. Kind of hard to show. It's very dusty. It is in this cow print, and I did this to it to make sure that they were little decals, because I thought it was all painted on, but no, I think this was white and somebody added like this vinyl or like contact paper is more of what it looks like. So I have to go and remove all of these because I do want to paint this either a really nice silver to make it look kind of galvanized, or maybe I'll just do like a hammered black. Things look like iron. I think that's what it is. So stay tuned for that, because I'm going to most definitely do that here on my channel. Just a little thrift store makeovers. I'm probably going to do about 2 to 3 items in that video, so stay tuned, but this is most definitely going to be one of them. And you can't have enough brass candlesticks, I'm sorry. I don't know again how much I paid for these items, because the lady was literally just ringing us up, so I don't know if I paid 25 cents or more. I know it wasn't over $1 if anything. But I love it. Again, you can't have enough of these. And I got this little round cutting board. This is going to be for a DIY that I've been promising for a long time to some of my Instagram followers. Finally gonna do that, because I had an idea in mind that I didn't end up liking how it was gonna be. So I was looking for a little round cutting board, and every time I found them, they were too expensive at thrift stores or just new in the store, and I finally got this one. I'm pretty sure this one was 25 cents. And then I got this little galvanized container. It says $1, but I paid 25 cents for these two because I did ask about this one. I don't know what it is, but it does have a max fill line, so I feel like it was like, what are those things called, like a milkshake thing maker. Sorry, I'm horrible. But I love it. I love the natural patina it has to it, and I'm going to be using this as a planter or a vase. And then I got these 4 patterns. They're all from the brand Simplicity. I love to sew, so these were just perfect. They did put the price stickers from the thrift store prior right in the middle. Why they would do that, I don't know. So I did have a hard time taking them off. I'm upset about it, but I'm not like, wow, I'm upset. Anyways, there's another one, and again, you can kind of tell in the middle where I took off the price. And then this one had it up here in the corner. And then this one, and these I'm not going to use to make the items in here. I'm mostly going to cut these out and use these as prints. And then I got this very, very pretty egg. What is this called? Ginger jars, chinoiserie or something like that. But it's an egg, so it was cute, and it was $3.99. But I got it 50% off, so I only paid $2 for this. And then I got this cute little cow creamer. And this one is from Target. It still has that there, so it's never used. But this is like old Target. If you remember these tags, yeah, they've been there for a long time. Anyways, this was $3.99, but again, I got it 50% off. So I only paid $2 for this as well. And then I got this cute metal basket, again from Goodwill. This one was $3, 50% off, so I paid $1.50 for this. I love it. I'm gonna fill it up with some greenery that hangs, and I'm going to put this up on a wall somewhere, or make it a wreath maybe. That would be cute. And then I got this big basket tray. I love that it's like the really dark brown in here that almost looks black, but then it's the brown right there. It's so cute. And this one was $2.99, but again, I bought it on a day where they had these 50% off. And I also bought some books, and these were 10 cents each. And these are from one of my favorite authors, V.C. Andrews. Maybe you'll recognize her from Flowers in the Attic. She's the one that wrote all of that series. So this is from another one of her series. I also got this one. It's Ruby. And then this one, Midnight Whispers. And all of her, what are they called? All of her book covers have this. And I love that. I think that is so neat. And then the final items I got were lamps, and I am in love with them. I was channeling my inner Kelsey from Surviving Snedden. I'm going to leave her Instagram link down below because she finds the best lamps. She finds the best items. I highly suggest that you go follow her. Again, I'm going to leave her link down below. So I was channeling her when I was at the thrift store, and I found some amazing lamps. All of these lamps were bought on the same day, and I was so excited because I got 2 of them 50% off because of the color on their tag. So let me show you those 2 first. Sorry, I had to move around to get them because I already had them in a certain place. It works, it really does. I tested it. But I got this one. I already removed the price, but this one was $4.99, and I got it 50% off. The second one is exactly like this, but it's cleaner. It doesn't have as much tarnish. But I bought some cleaner to clean these up, and I'm gonna see if I like the color and if I like where I'm gonna put them. If not, don't kill me, but I may be painting these a different color just because my room has more silvers and more cool tone colors. So I don't know how it's gonna look with this, but I'm hopeful that it'll look nice. And they didn't come with a lampshade. I am going to need to buy some on my own, which are gonna end up being more expensive than the lamp, but that's perfectly fine because the lamp bases are the expensive part. And the third lamp was this beautiful brass giraffe lamp. She is so beautiful. This one was $8.99, and I did not get this 50% off, but she was way worth it because it's a beautiful giraffe. The size is perfect. This is not going to be for me. The moment I saw it, I knew I had to get this regardless of the price. This is going to be for my sister. She's having a baby, and this is going to go in the nursery. Because she's doing kind of a rainforest tropical theme, so the giraffe will be perfect for that, and it's the perfect size. I do have a lampshade for this one because it didn't come with one. These lamps didn't even come with finials, but that's fine. I really love this. This was such a great find. I think this is my favorite piece of everything in here, and I don't even get to keep this. And that's it for this thrift store haul. I hope that you enjoyed all the items that I got. Let me know in a comment down below which one was your favorite. Stay tuned for all the DIYs, the makeovers, the transformations that I'm going to do with all of these items, and just generally how I'm going to use them in my home decor. You can do that also by following me over on my Instagram, because again, I post a lot of pictures over there of just everything that I haul here on this channel. And I also do other DIYs there. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you aren't already, hit that notification bell. You do not want to miss some of the videos I have coming up, because I have a dedicated video to thrift store transformations where I'm going to transform 2 or 3 of these items and others that I have thrifted in the past to give them a new and fresh look. And I also plan to do a shop with me at a thrift store and just general tips on thrift store shopping, because I get a lot of comments that I get a lot of amazing items and they never find things. But again, these are all cumulative finds, and I do have some tips and tricks on how to score big at the thrift store. So thank you for watching. Have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.